Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a couple of weeks ago I actually posted a video showing you guys how I use my iPhone to make YouTube videos. Y'all, that video literally blew up. So I know in the video I talked about the type of tripod you're supposed to use, and I talked about basically really just how to use your phone to record videos. I talked about lighting and stuff, but I decided to make a part 2 to that video because I don't think that I was really specific enough, and I couldn't find the stuff for the tripod, but I found it, so that's why I wanted to make this video. And also I just wanted to show you guys a few inexpensive cameras that you can use if you're just starting YouTube. So let's get into the video. I tried my hardest to find the link to the tripod, this tripod right here. I tried my best to find the link to the tripod that I ordered. So guys, if I can find the link to this tripod right here, I'm telling y'all, it's really like, it's an inexpensive tripod. I said it was about like $13, but here's how it looks. I told y'all that, let me make it smaller. All right, so I told y'all that I use my I use this one now for my wig heads, which is why it has styrofoam on it. But this is the tripod, and the name kind of faded. That's why I'm just gonna look up the name. I'm just gonna like try to find the link. But it comes with this. This is what I was talking about, the adapter. And I thought that this adapter was like really cool to be so cheap. Like it tilts. Let me see how I do this. See, it can tilt. Y'all feel me? I don't know. Let me put it on the tripod so it can like make sense. Okay, so do y'all get it now? So like it's like a little knob. Not sure what that does. Probably breaking something. But I forgot how to use this. So, oh, I see. So undo this, and then like you can move it. Let's tighten it. Let's tighten that mug back up, and then you can do this. How you move it? You use this right here to like it's say if you're cooking or something and like the camera's like straight, you can like tilt it so you can like record cooking, or I don't really know, just certain things you want to like have different angles, I guess. This right here is like the adapter. So remember when I told y'all that you can use the thing for the selfie stick? This right here is what I was talking about. This right here comes on the selfie stick, you feel me? And if y'all didn't understand that you can take that off, you can take that off. So I took this off of the selfie stick. Again, you can also use it with the selfie stick, but in this case I'm using it without it. So I took it off the selfie stick, and as long as the tripod has an adapter with this little screw thing right here, it's gonna work. It's gonna go. So let's put it on there. I kind of broke mine, but I can still show y'all. And I'm doing it that tight because you want to make sure it's sturdy, because if it falls when you're recording, like, nah, we don't want that. So this is how the whole tripod looks. I'm trying to think. I think this tripod did come with one of these, so I don't think you have to worry about that. But this is how the whole thing looks. I know in the other video I was just like telling y'all bits and pieces, but this was about $13, and as y'all saw before, it extends. Like, that's a good little length there. So yeah, so it looks like this, and if you don't have this part, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you, because that's literally the adapter. Even if you get a ring light, you're gonna have to order the adapter separately, but you can't really put your phone on anything if you don't have an adapter. I think it's harder to do that. Maybe you can like conjure up something, but I think it's really harder to do that. So I'm gonna find the link to this tripod, and I'm just gonna let you guys know because it's a amazing tripod. I don't really know what to tell you guys if you're standing up, because I'm 5'4", and when I stand up, this is like literally like my height. But if you're taller, I don't know, but it works perfectly if you want to sit down and record. Like, it's cool, but if you're kind of tall and you plan on using this to stand up or anything, I would tell you to get a different one, like maybe something taller, which means that if it's taller, it's gonna be more expensive. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you some, I'm actually going to like record footage of me using these cameras, so it's not just like all talk. So it's two cameras that I have, and I made another video where I have like a $300 camera, but I don't want to put this in this video because when you're just starting YouTube, you're not going to go and spend $300 on a camera. I don't think that's like, you know, reasonable. So I do have another camera, and yeah, I'll just link the video of where I talk about that camera in the description. But these cameras right here are inexpensive, and so let me just tell y'all. So this one right here, let me take this off. This is the Nikon Coolpix L110. And this camera is about $84. Like you can get it for like $84 on eBay. That's what I just looked up. But this camera, what I didn't like about this camera was just the fact that it didn't have the flip screen. So when I got the $300 camera, which I talked about in another video, I was looking for something with a flip screen, and it fit the description perfectly. So if you want a flip screen, then this wouldn't be the best camera, but it's ways that you can tweak it. Like you can put a mirror behind it, or you can just like set it up and, you know, record just staying in the same spot. It's definitely ways around it, and this camera is really good for just $84. I'm pretty sure that's not how much it costs, but it's kind of like a camera that's kind of outdated. So yeah. And then we have this camera, which is the Canon PowerShot XS 60 IS. Y'all, I'm not like a tech person at all. I'm literally just reading it off the top right here. But I love this, the little flip flash option. This camera also does not have the flip screen, but Canon cameras, I'm so serious, this camera right here is about $125. Like Canon cameras are so amazing, and I use this and the quality is amazing. So like the only thing that, if this camera had like a flip screen, it'd be perfect. Like seriously, it'd be perfect. So yeah, I used this for a good while, but I just got irritated because it didn't have the flip screen, and I wanted to see myself. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you how these cameras look with my ring light. So as y'all can see, this is a Nikon. It's not bad, but in the corner of the screen you can see that I'm using a mirror because I can't see myself, and so I'm not sure, like when I'm looking in the mirror, it looks like everything is, you know, straight, but I can't like really see. But the quality is, you know, when you're starting out, it's okay. So what do y'all think? Y'all effing with this quality? Y'all think y'all gonna go buy this if you're just starting out? Like I actually have not. I made like 2 videos with this, and I just got frustrated because I was just like, I can't see anything, and that's what made me decide to use my iPhone. So yes, I had some cameras, but I decided to use my iPhone just so I could see myself. Yes. I think that's crucial though, because like I need to be able to see what I'm doing. If I'm wearing lipstick and like, what if you get on my teeth? Like you can just look up there at the little thing to see if it's on your teeth, but right here I'm just flying solo, you feel me? So yeah. So this is the Canon, and the same thing kind of applies. I'm still looking in the mirror. So yeah, I had to have my camera because I actually have to record you guys so y'all can see like my setup right now. But so this is the quality of the Canon. Again, this quality, oh my gosh, it's not bad at all, especially if you're using like this and then you're gonna import your videos to iMovie. You definitely can tweak it. This can be like another camera that you can get inexpensive. 125 is not bad when I'm like using a $500 camera, so you feel me? It's good quality, and it's a Canon. Like Canon is amazing. Yeah, so Canons are good, and so like how y'all feeling this quality? Like y'all like it? I'm about to switch back. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you like some ideas or something. Like I know a lot of people said they had the 5S, so you can go out and get these cameras, you know, and even though the 5S quality is probably still good, I just gave y'all some options, you feel me? Because you always want to have options. It's kind of crazy to me because I'm kind of like just now realizing that I had some good cameras and I was tripping. Like, I don't know, it's just like I always wanted some better quality. Like, I don't know, like I should have been appreciative because those cameras are truly not even bad. But I'm a perfectionist, so it's just like I can't, like, it has to be perfect for me. So that's why I guess I kept wanting more. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if it was helpful. Don't even worry about anything, guys. I will put every single link of everything I mentioned in this video, and with the links you can do whatever you please with them. Somebody mentioned how to record with your iPhone, and they was just like, what if you don't have any space? Trust me, I have been there. I have been there. You just have to go through your photos, because I have 21,000 pictures, and I think I have a 64 gigabyte iPhone 6 Plus. So go through your pictures, go through your music. I don't have music on my phone, so I think that's probably why I was able to do that. I kind of just listen to Spotify. And even if I didn't have enough space to record my videos, I would delete apps and just wait till I finished and then re-get the apps. Like, it was a process that just like took a lot of effort. But delete them pictures, delete them apps, and then record your video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the love and support, y'all. I just hit 4,000 subscribers. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, I remember when I was at 100. Like, I'm truly grateful. Thank you guys for just sticking with me and listening and watching my videos. I appreciate all the love and everything. So subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.